When it comes to adjusting the fade of Boxcutter, you can also use it to trigger sound effects. For example, by going under the out fade and setting it to something like 1, 2, 3, we see that the settings have advanced a little bit. But now whenever we draw a shape, it will now perform a nice sound. So this can come in handy for times where you just want sound feedback to occur. But you may have noticed that after I perform my first sound, it stopped making sound. For this reason, we've enabled the ability for users to change their audio device driver inside of Blender in order to ensure that sounds play every single time, because sometimes sounds will actually be cut out due to the settings of Blender and differences between the various audio libraries. And with the next button, you can actually change over to different types of sound effects to experience all the sound effects that Boxcutter has to offer. Of course, keep in mind that sound effects are exclusive to very particular numerical values, which is why the next and previous buttons were added. But in your general experience, more than likely you shouldn't even run across sound effects unless you happen to fall upon one of these very specific values that you see me scrolling between.